In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off WhatsApp web sound notifications. If desktop pings are breaking your focus while you're working, this quick walkthrough will help you silence WhatsApp web without missing your messages. We'll get you signed in on your computer, open the correct settings, and switch off the sounds and message alerts that play in your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to WhatsApp web. You can search for it, then click the official result. You'll land on a page that shows a large QR code and, in many regions, an option to link using your phone number. To connect your account, grab your phone and scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the section where you link devices, and use the camera to scan the code. If you see the option to link using your phone number on the computer instead, follow the on-screen prompts to verify and connect. Either method securely links the same account you use on your mobile to the browser session. Once you're logged in, your chats will load in the browser just like they appear on your phone. From here, we'll head into the controls that manage alerts. Look toward the top of the chat list for the menu that opens your account or app options. Select Settings. If you don't immediately see it, check for a menu icon with 3 dots or a gear symbol and open it from there. Inside Settings, choose Notifications. This is where WhatsApp web controls its sound and alert behavior in the browser. First, find the option labeled Incoming Sounds and toggle it off. With that switch disabled, new messages won't play an audio chime on your computer, even if the chat window is in the background. Next, make sure Message Notifications is also toggled off. This disables the visual pop-ups that can appear on your desktop from WhatsApp web. Turning off both ensures you won't get sound cues or desktop banners while you work, but your messages will still arrive silently and be waiting when you check your chats. Take a moment to confirm both switches show as off. You can leave the page. Your choices save instantly. If you ever want sounds back, return to the same notifications screen and toggle them on again. A quick note: if you still notice notification behavior, it may be managed by your computer's operating system or your browser's site permissions. Those are separate from WhatsApp web's own controls. For most people, though, these 2 toggles do the trick. And that's it. Your WhatsApp web will now stay quiet while you stay productive.